Hey guys, have you ever heard of dancing tea? It's a wonder to behold and so much fun to make in your own kitchen. A lovely 2-layered tea containing milk and sugar that mesmerizes the person that you serve it to. So let's get started. Now first we need to boil our milk. We need to bring the milk to a boil, but not boil it too strongly. For this I find that a milk boiler works best. We're adding 1 cup of milk to our milk boiler, turning on the heat, and we're going to let that come to a boil. Meanwhile, we're going to boil some water to make our black tea layer. Here I've added a cup of water to a saucepan. Let it come to a boil. To this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of fine tea dust. We want to make a nice strong tea with sugar. And now for the sugar part. You need 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar. Now you do need a fair amount of sugar for the layers to work. If there's not enough sugar in the bottom layer, it's very difficult to get the top layer to stay separate. So once our tea is nice and strong, we're going to strain it into the serving cup. Around halfway up the cup. By now our milk has come to a boil. The milk boiler whistles to let you know that the milk is ready. You don't want the milk to bubble up too much, you just want it to come to a boil. And now we need to use a milk frother or some kind of whisk or a beater to beat the milk to produce the foam. I find that the milk frother works best. Once you've made enough foam, you want to gather the foam, only the foam and none of the milk, and add it to the top of your tea. Once you have a thick enough layer of foam, we can pour our milk. This step must be done very carefully. I'm pouring my milk into a small container first for easy pouring. Now, my trick. You need to use your spoon inverted like this and slowly, gently pour the milk in a thin stream over the back of the spoon towards the side of your cup, so that it doesn't mess up our nice layer of foam. The liquid runs past the foam down into the second layer without disrupting the layer on the bottom. Once you've poured in all your milk, suddenly magic happens and the tea begins to dance. Quite mesmerizing, wouldn't you say so? Now this is a lot of fun to make with your kids, or to serve to your guests, or to serve to your loved one on special occasions. Quite a beautiful tea. Stir, drink, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.